Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening the exact app you need on your phone. Sign into your Google account if not already done. Once signed in, go to the Google Forms web app or open Google Drive and tap the form file. This is faster on Chrome. Make sure your network is stable and grant any permission for media or camera if you plan to add images. This avoids interruption later, so you can immediately create or edit without backtracking. Now build the body of your form. Tap the plus icon to add a question or tap an existing question to edit it. Select the question type, add choices or instructions, and use the sidebar to duplicate or delete items. Once done, customize settings, toggle required questions, collect emails, and pick a theme color to improve clarity. Make sure to preview the form on mobile using the eye icon, because layout and keyboard behavior differ on phones versus desktop. Finish by tapping Send to share your form. Choose link, email, or a direct share to apps like Messages. Once distributed, monitor the Responses tab to watch summaries and export to Sheets if you need analysis. If participants report issues, make sure they are signed into Google if responses require sign-in, clear the app cache, and confirm file upload limits. These are common hiccups. If nothing else works, duplicate the form and retest to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.